Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of lazy loading in React. What is lazy loading and how it is beneficial for us, we see in this video. So you see that we have this web page we designed. In this web page, we just click on contact us. So you see we have so much of data available here in this web page. Similarly, we have big websites, those have lots of data, and whenever we have a slow internet connection or we have a low bandwidth, then the page doesn't load. I show you the example here. For example, I just click on this contact. You see so much of data is there. So I show you that if we have a internet connection, low internet connection, then what is the problem to this? You see, if I say this throttle to slow 3G speed, now you see if I click on service it's fast, I click on language is fast, click on home is fast, I click on contact it's fast. But if I say remove the old cache and now I want to open this again, you see it's gone. This website is loading my data because my contact data is big, and you see here in this video its contact us is loading again. You see this, and it taking time. Why taking time? Because the data is big and speed is slow. So now this website is gone. We are waiting for the output, but output is not coming. That means if user come to your website is not responding to the user, then user would not come again for your website. So you will lose your web users or your customer for your website. But it is must and it is compulsory to show the information. But how we can optimize our web page so that it take less amount of bandwidth and we have fast home page? You see now it is opening. Why? Because all the data is available in the memory downloaded. Now it's very fast. You see, but first time when I clear the cache, you see, and again this website gone, and it will take a lot of time. What is the way in React to solve this problem and how we can make this website fast by the concept of lazy loading? You see that in this whole website, I just make it fast now. For this whole website, only this contact us is taking lot of time. And remember that user is not directly come to this page, that will come to the home page. So why we are making whole the website slow? Just make this contact as a slow, means we just use this contact link as a lazy loading, and the lazy loading will inform you that something is loading here and wait for this. Otherwise all the options available here, they will run fast. So how we can do this, we are learning here in this example. So what I do, this contact us, you see it taking lot of time and it's a heavy link. So this link we will make as a lazy link or lazy routing. For that what I do, go to app here and you see we have here contact us. So I make this as a comment and I copy this link here and I go down here. I just create a constant value and I say lazy contact us like this, equal to, I say react equal to react.lazy, and here I create a function, arrow function. In this arrow function I use a import function. In this function I pass this URL. Remember that I'm passing this URL inside this function and I say this. So like this way I'm using this react.lazy function to import this as a lazy loading or lazy routing. Now I change this lazy contact us. In place of this, I will use a lazy contact us. Remember that. So I save this, done. But if I see it would not work, it will say error. You see, if I run this, so I go to console, so I click this, I just remove this cache here, click on this, you see it generating an error because we are not using this link under the suspense function. So what is this? We see this also, how to solve this error. So directly we can't use this component right now because it's a lazy one. So lazy one cannot be loaded like this directly. For that we need to use here. For that we need to add this component under a suspense component. So we say react dot suspense like this, and I put this under this suspense like that, and now I just open this, close this router, save this. This we have to remove because it is not required now, and we need to give here this bracket, and we need to close this like this. Okay, now one more thing we have to do here. We have to pass fallback. Fallback means during the time in which the component will load, what you want to display. Here we can pass any component also, or here I am passing a text like this. I say loading page like this, it will come in place of that. Otherwise we can give here some component that will scroll the image like this, waiting like this. We can also GIF any graphical image, we can pass here, any component we can pass here. But the purpose is not just to show the full flash image. I'm just giving you the idea that here you can pass any component that will show in place of this content. When the content will load, then this information will remove. So you see how it is running. So we just refresh it. No, so error is gone. We do not have error. Now we go to network. You see now I again say this empty, and you see it taking a time, but it not taking so much of time. You see, now I just again filter to slow speed. We have a slow connection, and if I go to home page and I refresh it, so it will take less time as compared to the other one. You see taking a less time. Click on language, click on service, click on about. But this contact us is a heavy page. So whenever I will click on this, you see loading page is coming, and then it will load. Remember that. Again I refresh it. You see the whole website will take less time right now because we are just using a lazy loading. Now I say language, I say home, it working perfectly without any problem. But this contact page is heavy page. So whenever we will click here, so it will inform you that the page is loading, and then after some time this page will load. So it will give the information to the user that the page is coming, please wait here, this is a heavy page. So like this we may use this feature of lazy loading here in React. That's all about lazy loading in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.